Oh yeah.
Pepe
Oh no, no, this
butterfly.
is wrong. This is wrong. Fuck. No.
Out of nowhere appears a wild Tridium Pepe. This is indeed the rarest of Pepes. It only appears once in 20 trillion memes. Like in 5 seconds, or don't if you don't want to. Either way, have a great day. Local rock in great mood today. Yeah.
I can't draw like this. Alright, now did that record? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, what's with that? Oh, it's recording my voice 2 times over. God damn it.
It's no good. Where's my little USB? Is it still plugged in? No.
Pepe the Frog is a fictional character from Matt Fury's comic series Boys Club.
Oh boy.
He became an internet meme when his popularity steadily grew across MySpace, Gaia Online, and 4chan in 2008. Holy fuck.
That's pretty dang.
Oh. I mean, file is open. This So what video game are you going to play?
No. What do you want to play?
I want Ark to update, but it's being a cunt.
Yeah, my Ark's updating too.
I
Kind of want to
wanna,
get the DLC, but it's
I wanna
expensive.
grab
Well, I
something
mean,
with
it
my
is cheaper.
mouth.
Okay.
How do you draw this? Those fat lips.
Oh. Oh my god.